The Lost Puppy. One day Emily walked home from school. On the way she saw a small puppy sitting alone near a tree. It looked scared and hungry. She stopped and gently picked it up. The puppy wagged its tail, but she was in the cold. Emily carried the puppy home and gave it some warm milk. The puppy drank it quickly and licked her hand. She smiled and decided to take care of it. She made a soft bed for the puppy and named it Max. The next morning, Emily put up posters in the neighborhood to find the owner. In the afternoon, an old man knocked on her door. He looked very happy. "That's my puppy," he said. His name was Bruno. Emily felt a little sad, but knew it was the right thing to do. She gave Bruno back to the man, who thanked her with a big smile. Before leaving, he said, "You are very kind. Thank you for helping Bruno." Emily watched them go and felt proud. She had lost a friend, but had done something good. The moral of the story is kindness and doing the right thing bring happiness and satisfaction. Even though Emily felt a little sad to give the puppy back, she knew she had helped someone in need. Acts of kindness, no matter how small, can make a big difference in someone's life.